guys, welcome back to the Diggins family. If you're new here, make sure you like, subscribe and turn on the post notification bell. And even if you're just a viewer, do the same thing. So you might be wondering what this big box is. It's full of squishies, and if you haven't been watching us for a long time, then you won't know these squishies. But some of you that have been watching for a long time will know some of these squishies. So yeah, just thought I'll give you an update on them. So yeah, should we do the Lucky Squishy Dip? It's called. Let's see what squishy I show you first. Ready? Closing my eyes. And then I got the lemon. Let me put you back. And there we go. Right, so I got the lemon. So basically, this lemon squishy smells a lot like, I don't know, it has a nice smell, but I don't really know what it smells like. Yeah. Turn on your smell-o-vision. So that was the lemon. We got this from Wigan on the Squishy Star. Next squishy, you will do the Squishy Lucky Dip. Deep in. I got this orange juice. Can one. Right, so it fell. So this is a Angry Fruit orange flavor soda. So this one smells like oranges, as you can already know. And I got this one from Wigan. I got most of my squishies from Wigan. And next one, you guys will pick the next one. Ready? Also, let's see, what do you guys chose? Get you set up again. Right, there we go. So, you guys chose this beagle, cute, adorable beagle squishy. It is super, super soft and slow rising. This one is my sister's. Oh yeah, the two that you saw before, they were mine. This one is my sister's, but we share. So there goes that one. Next, ready? Lucky Dip. I got an ice cream cone. So it's yellow, pink, neon pink, another like yellow colour, and a blue, and then the cone's like an orange. So this one I found, and I was like, oh my gosh, a YouTuber has this one, I need it. So I got it. And then next, you will dive and pick one. You got the panda. It's a muffin. Oh. So you got this panda. So it's like a cupcake. And basically the pandas come out of the cupcake. It's super soft, slow rising, and smells like cake batter, like vanilla cake batter. So, yeah, turn your smell-o-vision on, you can smell this one. Ready? Good. Right, next I will choose. I chose this massive orange. it is fast rising, and it is only half a slice of an orange. So yeah, if I was to trade this orange one for any squishy, what would I trade it for? I'd trade it for the massive watermelon squishy. So yeah, there goes this one. Like magic. So you can choose the next one. Let's see what you got. Okay, so you guys chose this popcorn puppy. This one is such a cute one. It's my sister's. So, yeah. Next one I just want to show you. So, was it gone? This one was a clearance squishy. We got it from Smiggle for £10. Came with all the colours that you need and the squishy, obviously. And I coloured it. So I did the head in blue. It's super soft, by the way, and slow rising. I did the body in pink. It's a donut flamingo. And then this in like a pink, and then that's like a purple, and that's blue, and then eyes are black. Just like what ours looks like, but it's not. So next one I'll show you the rest of them. Got this Fortnite llama. It actually makes a sound when you like squish it. Don't know if you can hear it, but it's like it's got air in it and you're letting it out. Let me see if you guys can hear it. Let me know if you heard it in the comment section down below. So, basically. Oh, also, if the comments are turned off, then follow me on TikTok. And my name on TikTok is Eva Dig. So, follow that. And then next one is my sister's. So, she got this meerkat. It's fast rising. So, it doesn't rise as slow as the rest of them do. But it is really cute. It's like a brown colour. And then this is white, and then the rest of it is black. So, yeah. This one doesn't smell of anything. Bye-bye, meerkat. Bye, Mr. Meerkat. Oh, what's this doing in here? This is not a squishy. Remove that. Right. This isn't a squishy, but it is a flat one. Right, so this next squishy is this octopus. This one was for £5 in Wigan. On the little stalls, if there's like squishies there, then I'll bring money and I'll buy them. This one is really slow rising. It smells really nice. Smell-o-vision. So, next. That isn't even all the bucket. Look how many we have left. Like, we have that many left. It's like crazy. So next one we will do is this clam shell. So it's like a shell, and it is multicolored. This one might look red on camera, but it's actually orange. This part is green, and then this is like a pinky purple. This is a darker green. It just goes on, and like the edges are like a yellow. So it smells like the ocean. So you can choose the next one, guys. a good dip in there. Well, I guess you guys chose the car. That's a good one. This one actually has a crease in it because I squished it once and it never rised back up. Like, I'll show you. I'll show you the crease that's in it. Move you here. Ready? So, wrong side, sorry. Here, I squished it. And as you see, it's not come back up on the window. That's how the window's like. And now it's gone to that. So, yeah. And then on the other side, it's like a cute little kitty cat face. And then here, it's like a normal car. Brum, brum, brum. Right, so I'm going to choose the next one, which is this golden and yellow muffin. Whenever we go on a holiday, like, I've only had this for like a few years now, but so when we went to Greece, I actually brought this with me in my travel backpack. I didn't use it, I just had it in my backpack and forgot about it basically. And I don't know whether you can see, but that's an actual shimmery gold. It's not real gold though, sadly. It's probably yellow acrylic paint or something. Then they've got the chocolate chips and the muffin. Right, so the next one I will be showing you is I am going to choose one. So yeah. Okay, so I'm going to choose one then. That was a deep dive. So I got this Marshall head. It is very soft. Smells like nothing again. Watch it rise. It rised back up. Hey, I want to be shown again. I want to be shown again. Oh, meerkat. Sorry about the meerkat. Then we got this Galaxy Panda. This was, I don't know, about £15 because it's like the middle one. So the cheapest you can get are £5. Then it's like 10, 15, and it depends on the size really. So yeah, this one again smells like nothing, but it's like really gradiented. Right, so next we have this tiny kitty tiger. It is so adorable, squishy and soft. Oh yeah, I got this one from Poundland. They're not there anymore, but they used to be. That's how long I've never done a squishy video for. I got this mini cake. It smells like strawberries. Turn your smell-o-vision on. It is so, it's like, no, it's kind of slow rising. Not the slowest to have though. So, and then we have this cake. Wow, this has gotten coloured on. So we have that. It's like really adorable decoration. This is so like soft. It's not slow rising though. So yeah. And then we have this regular panda. Also, by the way, guys, most of these squishies are actually kind of big. Like this one, if you see, bigger than my head. You can't see my head no more. Now you can. Right, so this one is slow rising. Retry. Yeah. We have this squishy. I don't know what this is doing in here, but shout out to Kira because she made me this. This is my sister's actually. It smells like, I don't know, kind of like milk. Smell-o-vision! Woo! Pancakes. Let me count how many squishies. Last time I said there was 5. So let me count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yeah, there is 5 squishies. There's like 5 layers. Pancake. So basically, this one is very soft and slow rising. Ice cream cone. Super adorable, yet cute. Smells like ice cream. Smell-o-vision. Yeah. Whoa. Oh no. Sorry guys, just trying to find the body to this unicorn. Because the unicorn's head got ripped off its body. Well, at least you know what's inside. The foam is like really sticky though. So, yeah. I don't know if it had a body in the first place. Probably did because that. But it might have been. I don't know, we'll find it. Oh my gosh. This squirrel's head is hanging on. Look at this. It's literally hanging on for its life. This might also be another video where the squishy's head falls off because it is literally, it's clinging on by the foam. I don't know if you can see that or not, but it's clinging on by the foam. So yeet, yeet. Right, this is the strawberry, the very rare strawberry. It's like metallic. So it's like pink, then yellow, then blue, then green, then it has foam. Like I said for this one, the foam is very sticky. I have a tiny strawberry unicorn. So cute. This is probably my fave. Oh, it smells like strawberry. Smell-o-vision! Next one is this beach. So it's like a gradiented hot pink. It's like a less hot pink, if that makes sense, then a pink, and then like a really, really light pink, and then a green. Oh. Why is the foam to squishies always pink inside? And that's really weird. We've got this little narwhal. It's very similar to Millie the whale, but it's called Billy the whale. And he splashes in the water. Splash, splash, splash. Hello, I'm Billy. Ruff, ruff. Billy barked and he's a narwhal. Right. His tail is very squidgy. I just like doing this with his tail. I don't know if you can see that. But by the time you've done squishing the other one, that one's rise, so it's ready. So it's really fun to squish. And then its little horn is also super fun to squish. And it's like a gradient on camera. It's like purple. Yeah, it's purple. The narwhal's blue. Yeah. Then, oh yeah, this is another one that was from Poundland. It was £1, and basically, they're not in anymore. Just like, where's my little friend? just like, hang on a second, guys, please. Oh, just like Mr. Tiger here. Just like Mr. Tiger, we have Mrs. Unicorn. She's so soft, slow rising, and squishy. What I like about them is that, never mind. Oh wait, yeah. What I like about them is they stand up. Like the unicorn took like kind of like a long time to stand up. So yes. Let's choose again. I've got quite a few there. Let me get this. This is a slice of cake. Smells like cake. Smell-o-vision! So guys, it's a box of bits and bobs, so there's like a bunch of other things in there. So yeah, I got this puppy thing. This was another pan one. Super adorable. It likes flipping and doing all tricks and that. Also comment down below if you want me to do more gymnastics videos. This is kind of a squishy. It's filled with like these foam things. It feels kind of sticky. Like, listen to this, ready? Can you hear that? Well, it's super stretchy. It's a banana. Hello? Hello? Yeah, speaking. Just kidding, you can actually call with the banana. This is a very hard but squishy. Almost bent my nail. Right, anyway, so this one is slow rising, but I think that's just it's, as I was saying, I think it's slow rising because it's hard, but like smell-o-vision, it's chocolate scented. Oh, sorry about that. I showed you the where it was made. Right, so yeet, that was. Did you hear that then? Listen, ready? Oh yeah, here's all the destruction on the floor that I just did with all my squishies. Yes, it goes under here too. And everything. And over there. So, yeah. Right, the next one. Oh, will be this one. This is a squishy, but if you tip it, it gets covered with slime. And if you tip it again, it gets uncovered. And basically what happens is, don't worry, the slime doesn't actually come out of the container. So you open it, get squishy. As you can see, you cannot get the slime out. It comes with 2 squishies. You can't get the slime. But basically, this one is a miniature one. It's super, smells like dog food. Smell-o-vision. Let's get rid of that one. This is a super soft, slow rising, little adorable pug. It's like a pug, but it's been turned into a unicorn, if that makes sense. I think these are called Smashy Mashies. What it says on the bottom. Yeah, Smashy Mashy. If you want one, then you should get one because they are awesome, to be honest. They are also so cool because you've got different ones that you can collect. So yeah. Put it back in. almost dropped it then. Yikes. I couldn't actually throw it off, did we? We got this one. It's like, I don't know what this one is. It kind of, when you do that, looks like a boat. Comment down below if you know what this is. We have this mini one that I actually got from Cotton Candy Cuties. It smells like Tutti Frutti. Smell-o-vision. Whoa. This one I also got from a Cotton Candy Cutie. This one doesn't smell of anything though. It smells kind of like grapes. I don't know. You try and smell. Smell-o-vision. Yeah. We got this miniature unicorn. Okay, so I have two more to show you. These are some new things that have just come out, I think. Not sure. But they are soft and slow, squishy surprise. These I love, 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 and I've only got 2 of them. So literally, you can collect all them, and I have literally the cutest. I have this one. It's super soft, slow rising. And look, it's about the size of my hand. Yeet. Wait, what happens if I bat and ball it? What? This cute one is another one. Oops, sorry. Of them soft and slow squishy surprise. This one is actually soft and slow. So puffer fish. So slow. 1 hour later. Finally, it's finished rising. Yeet. So that's the end of today's video. Hope you all enjoyed. Like, subscribe, turn on the post notification bells, and yep, follow me on TikTok. My TikTok's Eva Dig, and watch my family channel that is called The Diggins Family, and subscribe, like, and turn on the post notification bells to that channel as well. So bye.